Okay, hey, y'all want me to do a challenge job next week? Next month? Starting next week? I'm gonna sit right here for half a day every day and try to get new investors, meetings, and try to make sales.
You are?
Me.
You're gonna challenge us?
I'm gonna challenge y'all, dog. And see if I can come in, step in the game, and be number one in 1 month.
Come on.
That ain't gonna happen, boy.
Yeah, alright.
That ain't gonna happen.
You ready?
We gotta put something in this
4 hours a day, ready for you, Papa?
If you take number one, something happens. If you don't, I'll give you
If I take number one, I just take your dignity. That's it.
But I don't know because a lot of people like know you, you know?
Yeah. Oh, you got all the buyers. And you think that wasn't hard work? You didn't just
I'll
build. That's the advantage she has over us. Hey, that's a good idea.
So you're saying because they know me, they're gonna buy it. Does the deal sell or do I sell?
Deal.
Hey, look.
Deal sell.
Hey,
Hey,
I'm gonna defend my guy because I worked with it. I worked with him when I saw him build what he did.
It's like that video you
So
said.
I'm just saying, you guys are in the same position.
Alright, you know what?
It's like that video about you made about the shoes, bro. Like people know the brand, they buy the brand, they know you, you have your brand. We don't have a brand. Like,
No.
Alright, bro.
Take the brand away.
Time out. Let's do it. Alright, time out. Time out.
We're done with this conversation. You know what? Sit your ass. We'll get in that seat next week and we'll see. I'm done with it.
Hey, in 9 months, I'm gonna look at how many you sold.
Okay.
In your first 9 months. And I'm gonna compare it to his first 9 months. Without no background, not knowing shit.
Okay.
And let's see who does better. And just to let you know, it's about 70 transactions. Just
It's all good. My goal next month is 100.
hey, I'm just saying, 9 months, 100 files, dog.
I'm excited, dog. My goal is 5 sales next month. Or this month. 5 sales.
This one?
I don't know, I'm starting from scratch, like 0 investors.
Nobody, like no contacts, no nothing?
Nothing.
Can't use our buyers.
Can't use your buyers, I gotta just start making ads.
Alright.
And I should probably, like, even to make it fair, I'll use a ghost account to get ads. I'm not gonna use my account.
Nah. You can use your account. Fuck it.
Oh man. Wait, where are we gonna do this? Actually, let's do this over here now.
Yeah.
Y'all ready?
Yeah.
What's up?
I am the cheating master.
You don't even scroll.
You're wild.
Alright, cool. So I got 2 announcements tonight. One announcement is I'm gonna hop back in the sales spot next month. I'm gonna compete. Alright? Starting from the day I start though, but with 0 buyers. Alright? I don't even know what the fuck's gonna happen. That was the last time I sold a deal. So, but we'll see. And I got one more announcement. Ali's gonna fucking acquire some deals. So we're both hopping back in the seats. Alright? So y'all gonna see what we're made of, baby. Alright?
On my contact bag.
Right.
Hey, but I'm starting with 0, bro. I'm gonna just go trying to find buyers, starting meetings, qualifying, everything that we do. Everything that I preach to y'all. So we're gonna start getting these meetings in, qualifying, and selling. Alright? Alright, cool. So we got some winners from last month. Who was the winner for sales agent last month?
I think it was Dave. Sam.
No. The month before, because these are the gifts from the month before.
Oh.
Me.
Yeah.
And Seth.
Okay, so it was Seth. So Seth and Dave were winners from. We haven't gotten their prizes yet, and then the new winners for this coming month are what?
Sam.
Sam for sales, and who was acquisitions? Seth.
Seth.
Back to back, dog. That's how you do it. All right. You got top sales. That's what you said you're gonna get. All right, cool. You're gonna get it again this month, or am I gonna get it?
I'm gonna get it.
Alright. And then who won the contest this month? Lexi. Was that looking like 70? Damn, you smoked everybody. Hell yeah.
Let nobody.
Alright, cool. So we got the gifts. This is for last month. This is for Dave's last month. I should have got this a month ago. And we'll do this month's next week. Alright? So
What did he do?
Open them
I
up.
wonder what it is. I didn't see.
The clutch one.
Oh my god.
hey,
Dang, bro.
hey, maybe we can match that.
Hey.
Hey, put out the one in the plastic though, dog.
Oh.
Yeah, friend.
Bro.
What's the wholesaler?
There you go.
Yeah, that's how they come from China, bro.
Alright, cool.
Relax. This is hell.
Alright, and then so Seth got top AA. I got him no special gift.
What do you get, Dad?
He already knows.
On what it is.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, so the sun is on your face, though.
Hey, you're right. Hey, you're right. They do. They are.
Hey, those are good. Those are good.
I wanted to know. I was like, yeah, these are hard.
I was like, why the fuck you want my opinion?
Hey, look, I was like,
He was like, I will rock those. I will rock those.
you want those too or what? Alright, cool. So, alright, next month the competition is on. And I'm kind of excited because I want to get some sales. So, alright, so who's going to win next month in sales?
I am.
Huh? Who?
Watch out for Austin, bro.
Let's fucking go. Alright, cool. Alright, let's get it, guys.
And
Touch on
Jeff's
three.
gonna win.
All the way.
1, 2, 3, cut. Oh, yeah, I gotta spin the wheel for this one. My
Can
bad.
I do it?
Sammy, Alexi, Seth. You go, Seth? You go first, Seth? Damn.
It's like 12, dog.
All right, Sammy. Lexi.
Alexi. Come on, Lex.
Uh-oh.
There you go. I got it.
She's trying to catch one.
Damn.
Y'all welcome.
The boils are up.
Hey, boils goes hard.
Nah, I fuck with boils, man.
Haircut.
Hey.
2022, way, get him black.
Hey, Bad Bunny, dog.
Hit the tongue.
I got you in my buyer, dog. Yeah, I got you in my buyer, bro.
Hey, that's what's up.
Hey, but look, when I get my deals, when I sell a deal, I'm gonna go half with one of y'all to take it over, and then I'll give y'all that buyer.
That's gangster, dog.
Nah, fuck that. Let's go ahead.
Oh!
Spirit,